Alright, jumping into it, you're going to need a metal pusher, a cuticle trimmer, buffer, nail glue, a cuticle bit, a nail clipper, a nail drill, and a brush. Gotta make sure it's in the shot. And then you're going to need cuticle oil, and my favorite, a hand scrub, sugar scrub. Now these are nails that I've already done. You've seen them. I'm going to be applying them on my nails. I've already removed my nails in my previous video. Now we're going to be using the metal pusher to push back our cuticle. You want to be gentle as possible, only pushing back the dead skin, not the live skin, the dead skin. Making sure you're getting under the live skin to expose any of that cuticle that we will be removing. Now you just want to clip your nails, trim them up. I always like to cut mine down depending on how they look. Right now they're going to be cut down because my nails, again, I'm trying to get them to a healthy state, and they are growing out from me previously just taking off my nails, biting them, not really soaking them like I should. But we are on that journey of healthy nails. So ladies, please soak off your nails. Do not bite them because you will damage your nail plates. Now we're going to take our fingernail file, and we're going to just shape up our nails and any desired way you want. I like to trim from the side, trying to make sure that I trim them in so that no nail is hanging from underneath my press-ons, but they shouldn't be because they all should fit like they're supposed to. Going in, just trying to clean up any little hangnail in the front, and going back in, shaping them and getting the best that I can. It is hard trying to do my right hand, but I'm working on it and perfecting it to get it as good as I can. But yeah, it still be like muscles aching. Now you just want to put your hand in the water. It was for a few minutes or a few seconds maybe. Let that skin kind of soften so you can take this cuticle trimmer, and you want to go from one side down to the other side gently and slowly. The video is sped up, but please take your time. You do not want to nick yourself. You want to look for the skin that is see-through looking. That is the dead skin that you want to remove. You do not want to remove any live skin. So if you get to a place where it's kind of tough, it may be live skin, so you may want to be careful and not trim that area. But you go from one side to the other, and then either I'll go from left to right and then go from right to left. Doing the other hand, letting it soak a little bit. Then I'm going to wipe my hands off. Then I'm going to get that cuticle trimmer and do the exact same thing on this hand, going from left to right or right to left, trying to get every area that I can. And again, take your time. Nails is a process, and you want to do it as if you're catering to yourself. It is a joy to fully pamper yourself and just show yourself some love. So ladies, in this process, take care of yourself. Take your time, enjoy it. Very therapeutic for me. But yes, take your time and do not rush it, because you can cut yourself with these, because they will make you bleed a little bit. Alright, now we're going to take this cuticle bit and we're going to clean up the cuticle. You want to get it as close to that You don't want to rub it up against your skin, but you want to get it just as tight in around that cuticle area, and get in there and just remove any of the white that you see off of the nail plate, because if you have any of that cuticle that has grown out, any of the dead skin on the nail, that also prevents your nails from lasting. It's just like if you're doing an acrylic set, you want to make sure you flush that cuticle with acrylic so that it is flat and smooth at the base and not chunky, so that as it grows out, it does not lift. It's like glued to the nail plate, so it'll just, as it grows, it just slides on up. And so that's the same thing of why you want to make sure you remove that dead skin, so that it won't prevent you from letting your nails last. Because when you get ready to apply the nails, you'll see what I mean, and I'll explain that so you can see. But remember, you want to get tight to that cuticle, remove any white that you see, dead skin. You know how this shit go. You got to check, but call you up and call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been not alone. But if you're alone, then it's something, something. Someone is around with the shit, baby. I love you, but you ain't rocking good. Shake my name. Now I'm just going back in with that cuticle trimmer, making sure I'm just cleaning it up, trimming them off as best I can, trimming around the edges, and making sure that I got all of what I need, all of that dead skin removed from the nail plate. Now you want to take your buffer, and we are buffing to dry out the oils in our nails. We want to make sure there is no shine, ladies, so that the nails can properly lay. And I like to keep my nails, when I'm buff or anything that I'm doing this process, keep them kind of dusty. I feel like that little dust helps them, that glue and everything, just stick to the nails. So when you do it, just make sure you keep them a little dusty, keep them, with the nail. So I go in with the buffer, and then I take my 80/80 grit on my nail drill, and I go in again just lightly and gently at 4,000 RPMs, and I just take it and go really, really gently across my nail plate, and then so that I know all the shine is removed from that nail. Now going in with my KDS nail glue and my Model 1's nail primer, I'm going to etch the inside of my press-on nail with the primer, just so it can have like a sticky base so that glue can adhere to, because this KDS glue can, if you put a lot, have spillage, and sometimes it is like, I'm talking about, it seals tight on your hands. So if you get it on your hands, anything can be sticky. But I love it. I promise, I swear by this glue, my nails last a long time with this glue. So I really get you girls to try it out. If you love press-ons and you want lasting press-ons, yes, please get this KDS glue. I'm in love, and I have not heard anybody really talk about KDS glue. I've heard so many reviews and so many things on other glues, which I'm going to get to a video soon about different nail glues, but I've never heard anybody mention KDS glue other than when people are doing acrylics. But I promise you, this is gold for me when it comes to my nails lasting. Best glue, hands down. I get a good 14 days wear out of my nails without them popping off. I promise you. Please get your hands on it, and you can get it on Amazon. And then as you watch me, you'll see that I try to get that, when I put the glue on, I try to get it to slide down to the base, because when you apply your nails, you apply it at the base. So you want that glue to be, I was going to say the strongest, but submerged more at the base, because most times when our nails pop off, they pop off from the base, not the tip of the nail. So if you have enough glue coverage at the base, That is the key for me, having enough glue at the base of my press on so that when I get ready to press it down on my nail, that base is solid and it is not gonna budge. Doing a little tap tap test to see if those nails are holding, and yes they are. Again, spreading it. I like to do about three squeezes. Press it 3 times, get it out, then turn my nail over, get it down to that base, and then press down, and baby, we in there, hold it for a good 5-10 seconds, and yes, you are good to go.
Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna electric. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turtle little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'm a fuck of friends and send them back to metro housing. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for the cap, too sexy for that chop. Yeah. I pop out, get ghosts on the bitch, you don't know where I went. They fall my dogs, all my niggas behind the fence. Dripping in it, I'm spilling in the new designer gear by coaster. Pay attention to the detail, going two-tone on choker. Young niggas always ready to murder, some call them smokers. Young nigga have emotion, you don't make sure the car gets hit a 360. Windmill when I left the seat. That's that action, her best work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash, too sexy for this serve, too sexy for these pills, I'm too sexy for this. I get cash wherever I fly, got bitches sexing on me. Money, cars, and all the jewelry, make a business sex. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for the cap, too sexy for the chop. Yeah. Sexy, count, fitty, work hitty, spaghetti, this paper, I shred it, I sweat it, no sweating. I saw you begging, God damn you pretty. I ain't done spinning, no pen pinch, I spin it. Bags in that, my man ain't gon' steal it. My bags for young hoes, they was rich. The green gators, they look like a switch. Georgia, yo, I spent 26 niggas. Too sexy, my neck, wait, get it. Release me, caress me, I'll let you to this day. I've been kicking shit, might need a prosthetic. I pray to the chopper on my pillow, too scary. She see money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was done up like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right.
Now I have this bowl, and then I have my sugar scrub, and I have the lotion to go with it. And so I'm just going to show you what I do when I'm finished, and the cuticle oil. So I'm going to damp my hands. Usually this will take place in the sink, but right now for demonstration purposes, we're going to be doing it with this bowl. I'm going to scoop out some sugar scrub. Usually I would use a scooper if this was on a client, but this is my personal one. I'm just going to take my knuckles, scoop it out, lather up my hands with that scrub, making sure I'm just rubbing it, getting all that. And you know it's going to feel rough, but that's a good feeling. I mean, you're going to work it in there. Also, you could take a nail brush and brush your skin just to get it in there. This also to help remove the dead skin from your hands. We want soft hands, nice, soft, supple hands ladies, nice and soft hands. So I washed my hands, and I'm coming back now, drying them off, and we're gonna put that lotion on, which smells amazing. Please get any rose scent. Love rose, absolutely love rose. Okay, and so you're gonna rub that all in your hand, and as normal you do, getting in on the back of your hand, front of your hand, between your fingers, around your fingers, and all of that. And then once I'm finished, you're going to take the cuticle oil, apply it around your cuticles. Always make sure every other day, ladies, you are putting cuticle oil on your nails. I cannot tell you how healthy your nails will look if you just keep them hydrated. It's like the cuticles get dried out, and that cuticle oil is like hydration for them. It's just like look alive, looking new. And so you just want to keep your cuticles healthy, making sure you do this often. I say every other day, so that they can remain healthy. Anytime they look dry, meaning you need to get some water in your system, or you need to make sure you put some cuticle oil on. Well, ladies, this is the final touches of me doing how to apply my press-on nails. I hope you all enjoy. Please come back, join the Anami Nail family, and I cannot wait to see you and see you all commenting, engaging, and watching this nail content. If you have any videos that you would like me to do, please put them in the comments. Thank you all for subscribing, and I will be back for the next video. Ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna put the phone down. When we're alone, I wanna zone out. Baby, with you, I ain't got no doubt. Just tryna let you know now.